Start playing with it here already. What's going on? Kings and queens.
Big up
Big up on
kings
yourself.
and queens. Blessed Thursday night.
Happy Thursday. Wagwan, on a run come. Come for the Planka boss tonight. Yes. Me come for the Planka boss tonight. So on a up and come in. Yeah. Yes. Yes, man. On a come and share the life. Come and need our faith. Get it. Yes. Me come for the Planka boss tonight. Good night. Good night, everybody. Bless up on yourself. Yes. If you just if it's the first time watching us,
Welcome.
welcome. They're chocolate.
Vanilla.
And we are BFF over here, sir. But me come out tonight for the Planka boss. Me come for ya. Yeah. Be careful when you finger do. You don't want to make no mistake over here. You understand? So now listen before you start act up. Because I know that someone on a run come to come see how chocolate come for the Planka boss. But me tell them that me come for the Planka boss. Me come for the big platform tonight.
Big platform, she said. The big platform.
The big platform me come for tonight. On the ear. If you can't hear, clean out on the ears and listen. You understand?
Make sure you listen good.
Make sure on share the damn live. And all the time we beg for no share around here. Yes. But on want share with some. If some of our Planka them not depend on you tonight, then we get the message. Then we get it. Yes. We're going to treat you with manners before we diss up on a Planka boss. So make us say good evening to them.
All right.
We love to treat people good before we diss them up. Yes. TT. What a one. Janice. Diana. Yes.
Jennifer Gooden.
How you doing? Pat Williams. Beverly. Sharon Grant. Yes. Marcia Grant. Oh. On the see, some of the needles, you know. On the one give me no love. On the just a chop lights them because you not decide, sir. On not get ready for the angry face them. Yes. You know, on the should get ready. Can we come for Planka boss tonight? Yes. Get ready. Yeah.
Mass Nakag.
Yes, Valerie. Good night. Some of them now say good night, you know.
No.
Some of them did it and they're not typing no good night.
Gillette.
They're not typing no good night to it.
No.
They're not them feelings already and they're not even know.
They don't even know.
Oh, me, I got tear around. Yeah. Chocolate now come out just to play tonight. Tag the Planka bar. She might dip on her live over YouTube, but no one should see this. Me want to see this. Yeah. Yes.
Susan Pilgrim.
Me know say. Them a go fast now. Them a try to go on like say they want to say I and this and that. You know. Yeah.
Brown Petty.
All right.
Yes.
Me know some of hear me over there.
Jennifer Foster.
Big up yourself, Jennifer Foster. Me know some of hear me over the big platform this morning. I sing for the goodness of God. Yeah, me know wanna hear me.
Them say you sing real good.
Yes. Me are the hypocrite over there. Because me come out for her tonight.
Happy birthday, Jennifer.
Happy birthday, Jennifer. Alright, me ready for cuss and
all right.
When we say I talk no, if we're still there when me done. Me over anti-platform yesterday, an auntie step on our platform said she want people to cuss her because the more them cuss her and the more she sell things, and the more things go on for her. So midday at tonight for cuss her. Yes, you auntie Miss Planka boss, you. In your red ear, when curls them never quite curl. Them coming like Luther Vandross when he used to wear in Jerry curls. The curls them never quite curl. The stripe them did never quite stripe. Me, I tell you that. They never did quite stripe. Me did a look on them, and they never quite stripe. Bow you the pan flyers. When you do pan flyers, when you fi go pan a billboard for the music award. When you do pan flyers, when a billboard you fi go pan. But you are got Canada. Go host the woman's award over there. Me can bet you go over there and meet up with your good up friend them. From social media. The one Miss Lady V. Chris and Kazim. Dr. Love. Your chocolate and vanilla. And can bet it will not smell and look good. What wrong with you? Why you up on social media and make people blood pressure and run up because you got host award? What wrong with you? Why you up on social media with such a big platform and I send up people blood pressure and I make people not know what to do with them damn self? What wrong with you? What's wrong with you? Why everything you touch turn gold? Oh, you for oil fever. What kind of oil you use? Baby oil or peanut oil or cooking oil? What wrong with you? Huh? Your oil is favored. And all the oil them I use, they still can't favor. Then come and they rub upon you to get some oil out of you and they still no favor. What wrong with you, woman? What's wrong with you? Why you gonna make big old mansion? A room for house just your curtain and your sheet then? What wrong with you? What wrong with you? The room where I got house, the curtain and the sheet them bigger than some of them apartments. Oops. And I mean, sister, I want to say. You understand? And I mean, sister. You have to hang out with your majesty. Same type of people like you. What am I do? I'll know if it decorates so damn good. And I send up people blood pressure. Want to no company to kill all the people then? Huh? People don't know fear. People teeth fall out of their mouth. Frata come out inside of their mouth. What wrong with you? When all you do is stare in at the damn phone and just chat, so. Lots. Now you get stars. You don't know what that do. Then whoever they are look on the amount, I'll do it, you're not begging. wrong with you? Huh? What is wrong with you? You come out and you mispronounce people name. You make up your own dictionary.
T-shirt.
You come out and you talk about the sausage and the mackerel. Huh? Everybody know they're on their way to Zion because you come out here with your Zion business. Nobody never did know them way over to Zion till you come chat with your chatty self and make people go Google it and find out the direction. Oh, forget a Zion. Eh? You want somebody to cuss you? Me, I cuss you. I hope you get about 5,000 t-shirts sell tonight when me done with you. Eh? All you have to do, you laugh and people donate. Eh? And people are trying charity from Whoopi kill Philip. A Philip or a Philip?
Philip.
A Philip?
Yeah.
You sure I say my name?
Yeah. Positive.
A Philip in name?
Philip. Whoopi kill Philip.
Then I make your name in, sir.
No.
Oh, from Whoopi kill Philip. I want to make sure I get the word them right. I don't want to do it like you. You come. Yes, like a run a marathon. Lord, in a 5.2 second, the money gone up. Huh? And you expect people to be out here get blood pressure, nervous breakdown, diabetes, going a coma. Huh? What wrong with you? What is wrong with you? You think nobody now see when the van a pull off? With the boxes, a cake, a pudding, boxes, and we know there's something in there. How you expect them to manage? When see them box empty, I'm fearful. What wrong with you? Huh? What wrong with you? Huh? Are you here to talk to Planka boss? You alone tonight. My business who walk up in them feelings. Are you me attacked? And I might chip away from your little friend.
One by one.
I might chip upon them. I got the daughter there over in England. What you expect when you have shares in an airline and can take plane like Ratty taxi? Nobody has no time for you. What you expect when you walk around with bringing weight at 11 inches long and everybody blessed like that? Huh? And everybody blessed. You Planka boss and your good up friends. You lady read me, I come for you. When you grin for your teeth then, it look like say you are the Colgate commercial. Then all with the rotten teeth people them fed up. When you do that. When the people them wear glass teeth. Fed up when you come out and kill your teeth. And I show all that pretty whiteness. When you expect the people them fed up. When you over there use big word and people have to run down Google, what you expect to happen? Or not just their own Planka boss to create more hate. You understand? Me a show no a role and wanna play another thing with Planka boss. One on the corners. When we come at the award, we'll make sure we're not kind of far from her. One on the corners. I'm a talk about where we walk behind on our eye when no one nobody see it. You understand? Especially the woman with the big platform. The only thing some of them know about uniform and you come here and create big platform. Uniform for inmate 2022. That's what all some of them know. And you come here with real platform. What wrong with you? Make us break it down and show you the problem where you are cause. You understand? Yes. Anything you ask her, you get it in a 2.5 seconds. Some of we have to beg, and we beg, and we beg till you feel like in nerve in a way that got bust.
There's the right kingdom come.
You know, see, it's in turn up. If you ain't turn up in our throat, when I beg, Lord Jesus, man. And I can't give me like God and give Planka boss. Lord God, you know, remember me. What, Jesus? I make people pray. Me make people pray to Jesus. Me make people pray. Me run and baptize Jesus. And it's still not work for me. What? You don't expect. You don't expect. So all of that should happen. Eh? You don't see the role where you play. You know the troubles and triumphs. Some of them have to go wait till them get home on the other side. Me don't know who for and them are going to shake. Yeah. I wonder who for them are going to shake. They must shake their hand with the elders. I must see wonder what going on here. Anyways, back to you, Planka. Me know you are come at the award. And all platform here, I got to find you. I'll go and bash it up. It all load up. Believe me, it all load up. Because you have to go up there now, and I know you have extra. I know you have to be extra. Pansage. And you have to turn up the place. You don't see problem with your cars. You don't see it. You don't see it. You don't see it when you cock up all your foot over there. I get pedicure. You don't have to run open on a nail salon. You just cock up your nice thick legs them over there and make somebody just scrub off all the callus and stuff. You don't expect to run up people blood pressure upon them thing there. Makeup artists sit down and just like pat. Look here, I'm here to pat down my one face. Hold on. I need small so we have to do. Look, pat it for me. Yeah. Alright. Some of them are fortunate like me. Yes. But of that, them are mad over. Me come to tell you the truth. What your Plankatarians them don't want to tell you.
Personal makeup artist.
It cause all the chaos.
Yep.
Make people go mad. Yes. They literally are go mad. Models production open on social media. And you can't see. So I come to cost you for yourself some t-shirts. 5,000 tonight. You hear me? Yes. And then what if and big laugh for you put them over there. You understand? Big old and lean back your head. You understand? And when people up on the phone and talk to you, like I me what call this morning, just sing me like a song, and you have the part all. I'm still hold on because I love you and I want to sing. And you could have chat to Tom, Dick, and Harry and have somebody on the phone. You know what I mean? And then sit down there and wait on you.
Patiently.
Because they want to talk to you. And them things there. I cause corruption. The way you can put somebody in them place without even cussing one bad word. And you get your point across. And then things there become to tell you. Are you too lady? What wrong with you? You don't know BC, RC, CXC, CBD, vanilla, know them?
I do.
Alright.
Mix and match.
So I'm going to go answer. And she not come from Jamaica.
We can mix, match, and mingle.
Tell them one.
Bumble puts their ass.
Jesus Christ. Just one. And when you ain't go with one light one, you have to go for the rough one. No, auntie, now go and watch a video. You see what you do? All of this cussing gone down the drain. All of this vanilla, you just mash up. All this gone down the drain. She now watching now because you're messing up with your back because dirty bad one. Me work up all of damn sweat. And the AC. What me ever do now? Me have to call her and tell her all of this all over again. And that me have to do? I text her. He never sung when you see him. What am I do now? And you, man.
And me?
And you.
And me, cousin?
Sure. Me don't know what the teacher them singing there for. Now you use it against it.
Up for your own fault.
Why you think of one lighter one? Light one. You have to go in for the everyone. Big old dirty nasty one. And you know Auntie Naga want watching now. Can you go in like that? Your Majesty on the other hand, he more appreciate it. He more love you for this, you see. He must say, Lordy, daughter. Yes, daughter. I saw him here, you know. He more love you for this. Lady, my girl wink quick, you know. She don't comment, but she change her mind. Me no want nobody know me over here. Vanilla just let go that the big old rat that boy. No, me stay in the background. Dr. Love, yes. Vanilla, be slick that. Yes, Lord.
Yeah, win.
Cora, she don't understand what I want, so I don't worry about her. She don't know what I want. I know what I can strike. Yeah? She don't know what I want. She don't know what you just said. You understand? So she'll be alright. Show her what you do. Cora, you. With a big old platform. With a 5 million. Yeah, maybe put you in your place for the way you call on the Jamaican people. But me forgive you, I'm a pastor. You understand? But you have to come up there. I know you can wind up your little body. You like a flat belly. With a little push back. You like a push back. Yes. I crew that. When you, Planka boss, I got Canada, go mix up and mingle with. Smell good people. Look good people. Clean out people. And then you choose to be around. I'm still in a nice presidential suite. I bet nobody not come visit me.
I don't think so.
Nobody not visit me.
No, we're gonna be by ourselves.
We're gonna be by ourselves.
Yeah.
Nobody not visit me.
No.
Okay. Well, we are gonna visit Auntie.
Yeah.
Alright?
Yeah.
Alright. How y'all doing? What a good. Big up on the nice season. Pass that on to the Planka boss. I love your Planka boss. And there's nothing.
And there's nothing you can do about it.
Nothing. Nobody will raise by Duppy can do about it. No miserable spirit can do about it. Okay, no walking dead can do about it. No attention seeker can do about it. You understand? And we liquor over here, but we talawa. And we love stand up in our own space and know who we are. We are queens, and we don't have to do anything outside that, but treat our people with love. Yes, but when you come to me, I might come for you in the class anyway. Straight up.
With love.
Yes. And with that being said, tonight we have 2 tickets to give away for the Women International Award in Canada. The one they're trying to put a cloud over, but come on. Come on. We are diamonds and we shine, honey. Yes, so no matter what cloud, no rain, whatever no one put on it, take several seats and go way back in the taxi or the bus. You understand? That's where you stay. Yeah? So, not only that, we are no celebrity, we are no stars. We're just out here as women, business women, yeah? Blessed women. That's what I like putting in like success. Blessed woman.
Blessed.
Yes? And if anybody, we inspire anybody, and you guys want to meet up with us to meet us in person. We're having a meet and greet, and it will be catered. Yes? And we're allowing 20 people to sit and dine with us. Yes, I just got the menu today. Don't you worry, it's been paid for. Yeah? The tickets are paid for because people out on social media talk about people and trust ticket. No one to make it clear. There's no reason to trust over here. And trust and believe, if we need to trust, we wouldn't have a problem to come out and tell us that we trust. Ain't no shame in your game if you're truthful.
Correct. Correct.
You understand? If you are truthful, if you're a clean-hearted person, people go through difficult times. People have to start somewhere before they get to their destination. That is what we understand. You understand? So if somebody have to credit the tickets, I don't look down on you. That is a means and a way. Otherwise, they wouldn't have such opportunity for people who can't probably purchase it at once. You understand? It's the liarness that I like on social media. The lies to the people, and people take it for truth. You understand? It's the lie. But me not come out of getting at that. Me want to have an escape place. If I even 10 on, if I even 5 on, just know keep it 100% our real. We ain't faking no lifestyle over here. You understand? Me not have it, me not have it. If me got it, me got it. If me work on it, I'm working on it. So the thing says. Yes. There was a time when we never have it. There was a time we couldn't do none of this. But because his mercies never fails. Yes. And because the clean heart, the genuineness. Let me tell you now. I say even if I tell you, even if Planka boss and anybody when meet with Canada never call for winning, we'll come right here and we'll love on them same way. We'll love on them same way. Because we're not in this with any hidden agenda behind us. Understand that.
That's right.
Know that. Yeah.
What you see is what you get.
Know that. Yes. Tell me have a menu when we get to them from the restaurant. Here how it's gonna work for you guys. 20 of you for join us. For some appetizers and good talk. It's all paid for. Yeah? And we have 2 tickets. And we have a cake and 2 rum punch tonight from Miss Lothian that we ordered. It came in yesterday. For the beer for myself and somebody want me bring a slice over there. For them try. Chocolate, we do that sure, no? Because me nice like that. Me nice like sugar. And me can get sour than mine. But me prefer to stay in the niceness. You understand? Me prefer to stay sweet like sugar. Yes. Yes, me can. Yes. Me hear some people that on social media talk so we don't belong on it. We don't belong on the flyer. Eh? Contact we have. Contact we have, right? Come. Contact we have. We don't have no time to check for back next year. About next year, December. Yeah. We're busy over here. Busy loving on our supporters. Busy supporting good people who are doing amazing things. Busy supporting clean-hearted people. Yes, that's all busy. I'm busy with the business. Yes, I'm busy with my Jesus. I'm busy with my husband. Yes, may I try to ensure and all of that. To be sure. And tonight, may I try some punch, man. On the ear this yes first. Punch it up. Yeah? We're going to punch it up tonight. On the go on with an ensure because I at my belly. So me I go punch it up tonight. Yeah. Yes. Think the commentary truck. On the go on with an ensure business. Me I go punch it up. The ensure never did insure it. You understand? Never see what happen when we punch it up quicker than a fruit punch. Mm-hmm. We'll see what happened that time. Yeah. I don't want to hear on over auntie at all about when I punch it up, you know. Because I come up and I come and come say, when I put on the punch. Yeah? Me I got call on the old penny. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Me I got call on the old penny. So guys, let me look here and tell you what upon the menu for this meet and greet, and whomever is selected to be here at the meet and greet with us, we will send you the information privately, the address and the time that we're gonna meet up. Right now you can know it's the Sunday. It's the Sunday after the awards. Mm-hmm. Alright? Yes, but let me tell you what upon the menu that way, you know, on can be prepared. Yeah, that's how we see it. We detail everything. Yeah. So what we're gonna call it is jerk wings, barbecue garlic wings, deep fried wings, spring roll, breadfruit festival, saltfish balls, fried breadfruit, fruit and fruit platters. Alright? So that's what we're gonna put in the menu. So I'm gonna come with a long gut and not Tupperware and think on a carry home. No. You understand? No.
In Agogoso. No.
Alright guys. So this is how we're gonna do. Yes guys. So we're gonna try this Lothian cake right now. And then we're gonna open the phone line and give you guys an opportunity to call in, to be able to place on the list with us for the meet and greet, and to give away 2 tickets to the award tonight. Alright? So, it's a go. Yes. So make we open the cake. Open the cake, vanilla. Make we cut and slice. And I see me answer. Alright, here. Here, please. Planka box, look here. Underneath the chin, please. Underneath. She now be asked and makeup artist to go underneath. Go underneath. Yes. Alright, thank you. Okay, yes. Mm-hmm. Alright, cut that. Yes. We are cut. Yes, we are cut. It packaged nicely. Look, it really wrap up. It wrap up. Piece of ear the pan yourself. Piece of ear the right here. Get it for me, please. Thank you. Okay. Yeah. Alright, come. Yes. She a look? You don't know she a look? I don't think she did a look. She a look? I wonder if she a look. She love look and look well. Do it one more time. My makeup artist, do it one more time just in case. She never see. Do it slowly. Slow. Come down a little bit. Underneath. Yeah. Okay. Alright. Me think the one that long enough for she can see it. Yeah, okay. Yeah. Long enough. The one on the seat. Oh. Alright. Seat. On a screenshot here, send it to her. Just in case she don't want watch it because vanilla cussing dirty bad boy. Screenshot that and send it to her. Yes. I'm gonna need my toes done tomorrow. Okay. A pedicure.
Sure.
Okay?
Yeah.
Thank you. Be here 8 o'clock sharp.
Okay.
Gotcha. 8 o'clock sharp.
All right.
She'll listen. She hear that. I don't think she hear. I don't think she hear that. Nothing? Okay. Cut. It look good, people. It look good. It nice and soft. When I say it's moist. See? When I say the moist look on it, nice and soft. Yeah, moist. Alright, cut it. And I can get plate. I want to do it. I want to Planka that do it in a plate and paper down. Because we want big platform, so we'll try to replicate some of the things that we should do over there. Or tell me, Sheila. use one plate, I just pick it up out of this. Tell me. I want to see the comment there. Hold on. Well, comment then, Jesus. Oh, no, tell me. Should I just pick it up out of the container? I should have put in our little saucer. We want to replicate tonight. We want to replicate for shadow over there. Let me read the comment there. Why Facebook freeze?
We're a copy taker.
Yeah, we're copy. We want to copy some of Planka teeth. Yeah, me could see. Me I read it now. Look, tell me what should I do? Should I use fork? Or should I just grab it with our finger there?
Plate.
Pick up. Should I just pick it up? Somebody said pick up.
Somebody else said plate.
Somebody said plate. Should I put it on plate, then pick it up with our hand? She need to use no fork or no knife. I don't tell you. I could see. Pick up. People say pick up. None of them say pick up. Pick up. Should I pick you up? Me have a feeling so too. So should I pick you up? So cut vanilla. Nobody come go like a soap by your wife. Yeah. No, what to do it like auntie. Pick up. That's all we're going to do. Yeah, pick up. With the whiteness. What kind of with the whiteness? Pick up.
There you go.
Well, pick you up. When I think should I put it one time in our mouth, I should have bite. Piece off. Should I bite off piece first? I should have just ram the whole thing. Let me see what I say. Hold on. Put on salsa and pick up. Oh, should I put it on salsa and then pick it up? We're not here, it's not too late. We're not ignore the part there. We never did pick you up. This side, ignore the part there. Salsa. Them get a salsa. You don't know salsa? Why come on, you don't know salsa? You don't know salsa? Now make me fire you. Now make me fire.
Here you go.
Okay. Yeah. Salsa. Then should I use knife and fork or should I just pick you? Pick you up?
Pick it up.
Should I pick you up? Toothpick. Somebody tell me toothpick. Bright.
Put the whole thing in your mouth.
Bite. Oh, bite. Bite now.
They said bite a piece.
Bite a piece. All right. Bite a piece. I want you to touch the bite. Should I do that front teeth or corner teeth? Me now follow no instruction no more.
Them said for bite a piece.
We bite a piece. All right. And she push your rest in her mouth. I want to have front teeth.
Them said for bite big.
Bite big? Okay. Jesus Christ, Miss Lothian. No.
Nice. Moist.
Miss Lothian, I love you. Yeah. For the first time, me taste your cake. Me don't fall in love with you. Me don't care if you love me. But, me want you to know. So me love you. Me love you for the cake, yeah. And now I call me craving. Your damn cake tastes good. Craving have a lot to play the top, but the cake good.
It's good and nice and moist.
It's good. You make me feel like I want ball. That's how damn good it is. Me go carry some to Canada. But this summer I support them just one. A crumbs and just one little crumbs and I get. Now come with no wagga belly and things that make us give a big slice. You hear?
Nice man.
Then you one little toast. Yeah. Come.
Don't tell nobody you know.
Oh, it's nice. It's nice. Alright, let me try this now. Try this. Move a little faster for me. Because you understand, you work with me. And to work and then move fast. Then you move slow.
Then auntie them worker.
What, you are tonight. When you going to set up her life? Suppose you listen. Yeah. And to work and then move fast.
Okay. Alright, you have a work plan.
Okay, move fast. Yeah. Move fast. Oh my God. It's nice, people. It's nice. It's moist. You can taste the rum. It's a fruit cake.
Yes.
And it is so delicious. Never can come prove it because I know on a love talk say people have come out here and chat. And I become I love Miss Lothian. Me I carry, make few people get a taste of it. For sure that me is not lying around here. You understand? All the time me ever lie when somebody want to put me in a prison. And me don't look good in an orange. Yeah. This is the rum punch. And a 2 bottle we have. Yeah.
What? Wait.
Yeah. 2 bottles.
Rum.
So, all I'm going to keep you up before you open it.
Now make sure
you
the
have
bottle
a
is off.
fire going on. Yeah. Okay, you don't know to open this.
No.
Hold this to me. Look and learn.
Alright,
this is all. You have to have strength. And because you're not drink no Ensure and do nothing with no Ensure. You understand? Try the Ensure. Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah,
man.
Yeah. Try the damn Ensure. See, we're about to sip the wonderful goodies right up in here. Yeah. See. Yes. It's nice. Me that's the cake parts. We're about to taste this. Cheers.
Cheers.
Alright. Oh my God. Oh my God. We need to send my husband never married to Miss Lothian. Miss Lothian.
Let's send it to.
Yes, I can marry you. And just me and you out and send come kill me. Yeah. You're about to send a cake and a rum punch from kill me. Guys, they are delicious. Delicious!
Miss Lothian, you're going with the
You're
king.
going with yourself.
Yeah.
We'll send them over there. Which one? Where is that? The New York? We'll send them up there. Yes. Make them take away your stuff and mail it away. Yeah. Yes, Miss Lothian, big up on yourself. Alright, we're going to open the phone line. You're out of work. We'll look for caller number 1 and number 5. You have a choice. It's either, for caller number 1 and number 5, it's either the tickets to the award or to be on the guest list. Alright? And then calls after that, it's going to be first come, first serve. You have to be able to tell me about 1 hour video. When you start watching, why you want to come sit up and name with me? Because we don't want nobody come to try to run down pound you and come try to do nothing to it. So we have to make sure so I really support our way. You understand? When I spend my money, and nobody will want to come boom sway out. So we have to make sure. So, we're opening the phone line. Rock and coming. Yes. The number pin there.
Yeah. Quick, see more.
Quick, see more. And call. You're here. And then I come books. We're out. So we wings and we fry roast breadfruit. And with songfish balls. The balls. We don't like the sound of that. Balls. Me don't like the sound of the balls. So nobody know want to come to me. Nobody not call. I don't know. I don't think I sent it. And the number plate on the car. Yes. Tell me to set up meet and greet. We never did tell them say we want to set up a meet and greet. In box way. Put in a comment. So call. Yeah. Alright, the tickets. The tickets, guys. If you don't have a ticket, call and get a ticket to go to the Women's International Award. Yeah, we have 2 tickets available. Alright? I bet if me that give us some credit over here. I jump up and call, long time.
With a ring, long time. Yeah.
And I want to come support on the sisters. We are waiting on We are waiting on We are waiting on Yeah. But they are young comes to the local. Where young comes. To the local. Oops. And I drop. This is the cake, and it is so delicious, and it's weighted to guys, so you get a lot for your money. Yeah. So make sure you guys support Miss Lothian. She have delicious fruit cake.
Oh,
yes.
Ring.
Oh, that must be that billion. Only that billion.
Hello, good night.
Hello, good night.
Hello, good night, Chocolate.
How you doing?
Good night.
I'm okay.
Who am I speaking to?
This is Aditya Barrett, Juliet Davis' cousin.
Oh, I'm Juliet Davis' cousin. And what did you call for? Is it a ticket or to be on our guest list?
I would like to be on your guest list.
Oh, she want me to. She want me to. I want you to pat down my face because she already there. You understand?
All right.
All right. Yes. All right. We have your name here, Queen, and we will. Can we send you the message to this number that you call us from?
Yes, and I'm right now in Canada.
And you're right now in Canada. Oh, Canada. All right, darling. We will see you there.
All right.
All right.
See you
Blessings.
in Canada.
See ya. Yes, people.
I came up from Jamaica yesterday.
Oh! Is it your first time in Canada?
No, this is my fifth time.
Oh, nice. Well, we are looking forward in meeting you and to sit and dine with you. All right? And thank you for wanting to join us.
Yes, and this is my Jamaican number. I don't get my Canadian chickens in.
Oh, okay. And you said it's fine for us to send you the information to this number?
Yes, you can.
Okay.
All right.
All right, Queen.
All right, Queen.
Thank you.
Thank you. All right. Yes. So, what am I saying? Pastor is all of us, boss. You think ain't easy, them all up in there. Island flavor. Miss Lothian is in the comment section.
Miss Lothian.
Miss serious.
One with a team.
Yeah, I ship off Mike to come on in.
We'll ship off her husband then.
This. Yeah. Hopefully you know us. You understand? Because that's the only plan we come up with. For rub your cake and your
rum punch.
You understand?
Yeah.
I only plan that we have. Yes. So guys, we're not going to lay out here. We're not going to lay out here. We're not going to beg nobody to accompany the list because it's refundable. You understand? And we don't have no problem with the money. Yes. So, we still have the tickets them. Nobody don't want a ticket for that award. Nobody don't want to show up. Want to make people kill on the vibes from the award. What's wrong with it or not? Want to make people turn it off from going? Want to make people with them pies, them venom, get on the brain in? No, man. Chocolate, you're selling slices of cake. No, I'm not selling the slices of cake. It's too good. We cannot sell it. No.
You can't sell it.
I cannot sell it. I cannot sell it. I'm telling you, it's delicious. Yes, we can't wait to get one more piece. When we come out on live,
yeah.
I'm going to on live. I'm going to want to see me. I dog it down. Yeah, the same one I want to come up and cuss me. Yes. And somehow they just get up, eat cuss, drink cuss, sleep cuss. Locks. No. I don't know why I can't cuss me. So I mean that I am. You like a hop. You know what I mean. Yes, like chocolate chip and slice for me, please. In
another call.
We have another call coming in. Hello, good night.
Hello, good night.
Hi, good night.
Who am I speaking to?
Susan Pilgrim.
Pilgrim. And are you calling us for the tickets or to join us?
To join you, they want the roast breadfruit and they want the
So you just have come to Kanyam way out?
No, I come to me. I come to me. Oh my God, people. What is those?
All right. You want the roast breadfruit?
All right.
But she said she want me to her. We're going to watch her with the breadfruit, yeah? And you can see she love the breadfruit more than we.
Right.
You understand?
One of my favorite people.
Thank you, darling. Thank you so much.
I love y'all guys.
Thank
We
you.
can contact you on this number?
Yes, that's my number.
Okay.
All right.
Thank you. Thank you,
Queen.
Thank you so much.
All right.
When I will turn out here all night, if I don't think we're not going to catch we win. Say we if we turn out here all night, I want to blow look a 1-1 call because I want to keep we out here. And I'm happy.
You see how long I space on the
Yes. On a trick way.
Yeah.
We'll come back on the weekend and we make the same offer. But you see, after a weekend, the offer done.
Yeah.
We just have a, if I like 20 people show up, we're going to work magic. We're going to work magic. We're going to spoil
The
the
one
levels that come.
Mm-hmm.
That's what we're going to do. Yes! So, we're grateful for everything. That's the difference with us. In all things, we give God thanks. In all things, we're grateful. Big or small, that is us. I love you, Lord, for your mercies never fails me. All my days, I've been held in your hands. From the moment that I wake up until I lay my head, I will sing of the goodness of God. Until it carries over, yes. Yes, from this morning. Because all my life you have been faithful. And all my life you have been so, so good. With every breath that I am able, I will sing of the goodness of God. I love your voice. You have led me through the fire in the darkest night. You were close like no other. I know you as a father. I know you as a friend. 'Cause I have lived in the goodness of God. 'Cause all my life you have been faithful. And all my life you have been so, so good. With every breath that I am able, I will sing of the goodness of God. Your goodness is running after, it's running after me. Your goodness is running after, it's running after me. With my life laid down, I surrender now. I give you everything. Your goodness is running after, it's running after me. 'Cause all my life you have been faithful. And all my life you have been so, so good. With every breath that I am able, I'm gonna sing of the goodness of God. Yes, I'm gonna sing of the goodness of God. Yes, I'm Miss Lothian. Listen, Miss Lothian, Miss straight. Believe me, my sister. But I'm looking at your yard. Looking at me yard. Miss straight as an arrow. You hear? Straighter than me you can't find. But Miss Lothian, me feel like they love you. I don't want to steal some love to get some more pudding. You understand? And fruit punch. Yes, Miss Lothian. Me not lie to you, Miss Lothian. Listen to me. Listen to me, Miss Lothian. Listen. Listen. Miss Lothian, you deserve me singing for your queen. Yes, take this with love. Talk it straight. But I love you. I still love with my kings and queens. I still love with them all the time. Yes. Ask them. You It was fun being here with you guys tonight. We will be back on the weekend. Lord, you bring up the enemy. You bring up the sun. Now, we close with this one more time because we're copying the big platform. What I said. Alright. Love your auntie. You know that.
Yes.
For your mercies never fails me. All my days I've been held in your hands. He don't care how you do it, Vanilla. And all my life you have been faithful. That's right. And all my life you have been so good. That's right.
With every breath that I am able,
I will
I'm
sing.
gonna sing of the goodness of God.
That's right. Proud of you, my friend. Your goodness is running out. It's running out to me. Your goodness is running out. It's running out to me. When my life's laid down, I surrender now. I give you everything. Hey. Your goodness is running out. It's running out to me. Your goodness is running out. It's running out to me. Your goodness is running out. It's running out to me. Your goodness is running out. Running out to me. That's right, Vanilla. Come now, girl. And all my life you have been faithful. And all my life. And all my life you have been so good. With every breath that I am able, I will sing of the
Of the goodness of God.
And all my life you have been faithful. Yes. And all my life you have been so good. With every breath that I am able, I will sing
Of the goodness of God.
last part.
Oh, I'm
Gonna sing
of the goodness of God.
Good job, Vanilla. Yes. Thank you guys so much for joining
Thank you,
us.
guys.
I love you guys. And there's absolutely nothing you can do about it. Let's pick up some people before we head on out of here. Yes, we haven't been paying much attention to the comments. But
Lorraine.
Lorraine. Bogle. Big up yourself.
Michelle Mallett.
Mallett. Big up.
Aretha Stewart.
Arita Stewart.
Althea Barrett.
Althea
Thank
Barrett.
you.
Elizabeth.
Elizabeth Matthews.
Big up yourself.
Desna Irving.
Desmond. Susan
Susan
Pilgrim.
Pilgrim.
Yes.
Hazel Miles.
Hazel. Big up yourself, Hazel.
Sonia.
Sonia Brown. Big up yourself. Big up yourself.
Sonia Lord.
Sonia Lord. Big up yourself. Queen.
Willette Ebanks.
Willette. Big up
Yeah.
yourself, Willette. Aretha Stewart. Did we say that?
Yep.
Lorraine Felix.
Lorraine Felix.
Big up yourself, Queen. How you doing? Yes. It's gonna go fast.
Roxanne Joseph.
Roxanne Joseph. Maureen Douglas. Big up yourself. Yes.
Doris.
Dorit. Big up yourself, Dorit.
Tisha.
Tisha. Big up yourself, Queen. How you doing? Evelyn. Big up yourself,
Evelyn.
Queen.
Thelma.
Thelma. Big up yourself, Queen. Ingrid.
Ingrid.
Big up yourself.
Arlene Rose.
Big up yourself, Arlene.
Marcia
Robinson. Big
Robinson.
up yourself.
Antoinette.
Antoinette. McDonald.
McDonald.
Big up yourself, Claudette.
Claudette.
Big up yourself, Queen. Jolette Davis.
Davis.
Big up yourself, Jolette. Big up yourself.
Alicia.
Alicia. Big up yourself. Sharon.
Sharon.
Big up yourself.
Lucina.
Lucina. Big up yourself. Big up
Tracy
yourself. Tracy Ann.
Deanna.
Deanna McNeil. Patricia.
Patricia.
James. Big up yourself.
Yolanda.
Yolanda Lee. Big up yourself.
Lucina.
Lucina. Yes.
Doris.
It's running now. It's running. It's going super fast. Now, Jennifer Lawson, big up yourself. Yulette, big up yourself. Oh my God, it's going crazy.
Monica. Nadine.
Nadine, big up yourself.
Pat
Mullins, big up yourself. Big up yourself if I ever miss you.
Sorry.
I'm sorry, guys.
It was
but
going
next
fast.
time,
Don't
alright, big up
forget
yourself
to
same way. If we
That's
even didn't
good.
call your name, big up yourself.
Big up yourself.
I love you guys, and there's nothing you can do about it.
Yes.
Good night.
Good night, guys. Love you. Bye-bye.